Salam everyone, welcome to another episode of this series where I'm trying to teach you how to understand the Quran in Arabic without actually having to study Arabic in depth. And this makes the process much quicker and much easier, and it's very different from other Quran courses or Arabic courses that you will have seen online. So if that is something that you're interested in, please do subscribe because I will post videos every week. And if you keep doing this consistently, you will see a massive improvement in just a couple months. So take care and keep watching. Salam.
Verman, your turn.
Yes. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. عالم الغيب والشهادة فتعالى عما يشركون. Okay. عالم الغيب والشهادة. Is it like Allah knows the ghaib, the unseen, and is witnessing shahada?
So he's the knower of the ghaib wa shahada.
Okay.
The hidden as well as the shahad, like the witnessed things or the obvious things.
Okay.
Like seen and unseen. Ghaib.
Okay. تمام. فتعالى على So is ala. It's not ala.
Fata'ala Allah. And is also similar to glorified or exalted above, from a'la, al-a'la.
Okay. So it's like high is Allah. Okay.
Or above.
So فتعالى تعالى. But why Okay. فتعالى عما يشركون. شرك. No.
You're right.
Okay. Okay. عما يشركون. What was عما again?
So with regards to, or like ta'ala Allah, so you know how amma yasifun, with what they attribute, and amma yushrikun, with what they associate with him as partners. Basically, he is exalted above all that they
associate the shirk they associate him with.
Exactly.
Tamam. Can I ask some? But
yeah,
ta'ala. Why is it ta'ala?
ta'ala.
Shouldn't it be like, I don't know. It's just okay. Maybe it's just, when it's like ta, I'm thinking it's you.
Oh, I see what you mean. So I think it's the passive ta that we did, remember? Once upon a time. I'm not sure, but I'm guessing. Let me see. Subhanallah ta'ala. So I don't know exactly. It might be that ta which I once sent in the group, which was like the passive ta, which was like the state of being.
Okay.
But you will see this often enough that, ta'ala Allah, etc.
Yeah, okay, that's true.
Okay, Awa?
قل ربي إما تريني ما يوعدون. قل ربي, say, my Lord, إما تريني something me ما توعدون, what they promise.
يوعدون.
يوعدون, okay, what they promise. Yes.
What they have been promised. What they have been promised.
Oh, okay. So then I'm not sure about the
Turi from tara, which means to see.
Really?
So Turiyanni now is like, it's so changed that it becomes show me, like instead of to see, it becomes to make someone see. So to
Mm.
and I think we had similar ones with like sees, يأخذ, which is like instead it then becomes take because it's like to give to someone else, etc. So imma turiyanni. Imma, do you know that?
I'm actually not sure.
So
Let's
imma
take a
is if, and so turiyanni means if you were to show me. So the ta turiyanni, if you were to show me this, like ra'a or tara, ra'a, tara, which means to see. So turiyanni, if you were to make me see what they have been promised. Hiba, your turn.
Sorry, it's a bit small on my phone. ربي فلا تجعلني في القوم الظالمين. My Lord, so do not تجعلني make us of, like ja'ala is to make, right? So make us of as in تجعلني في القوم is people, الظالمين is like
So, just me. Me. And if it was na, then it would be us.
oh, okay. Okay. So my Lord, do not make me of the people who are الظالم, wrong.
Wrongdoers, exactly. It's from, you know how we always say in Salah, like, رَبِّ اجْعَلْنِي مُقِيمَ الصَّلَاةِ, etc. So it's
Yeah.
me.
Okay.
Cool. Okay, last one, Berivan.
وإنا, and indeed we, على أن نريك ما نعدهم لقادرون. And indeed we, على أن نريك, نوري, it's not from nur, nuri.
Nuriyak, it's the same as the ra and ra'a, because the ra and the ya
Seeing.
from Turiani, and this
Yeah.
one is now in the beginning, and the ka at the, oh, this is so cool.
Oh, this is like we see you.
Yeah. So and
Yes.
then inna is not we see you, like
Oh.
you to show you.
Oh, it's
Very close.
I love this wave of emotion. Everyone's like, yes.
Exactly.
Oh no.
Oh no, yeah. So true.
So verily we are ala an nuriyaka, of showing you ma na'iduhum, carry on.
Showing you Nuriyaka. Okay. Showing you ma, what, ni'ama, na'idu, ni'ama, oh my god, na'iduhum, na'id, عيد, عاد, promise, something, our promise
What
to
we have
you, what we have promised them. لقادرون. Wait. قادر. قادرون. It was not measurement. It was place. قادر. Please say yes.
no, powerful,
قادر.
able to.
Oh, قادر. القادر, yes. Okay, tamam. Okay, so indeed I'm not sure if I get this right. So indeed we of showing you what we promised them. لقادرون
Are able to.
are able to.
So
Okay.
Sentence structure, basically what it means is that verily we are fully able to show you what we have promised them.
Where do you find fully a? Oh, okay, full. Tam.
Total, like able, powerful.
Yeah, yeah.
Makes sense?
So I guess,
I would
is it
never
almost like
guess that.
rearranging?
Hmm?
Like, is it almost like kind of rearranging? Because it's saying like, inna laqadirun, like we are capable of, and then what are we, like we're capable ala, like over to show you what we've promised them, kind of thing.
Mm.
I see.
If that would be like the normal sentence structure, and if this is like this because it's more poetic, I don't know.
Okay.
But also because it then gives it more emphasis when it's put at the end. It's like to show you what we've promised them, or we are to show you what we've promised them. لَقَادِرُونَ, totally able, you know?
I
Like,
think also sometimes, oh sorry.
yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, no, I was gonna say, I think also sometimes it kind of might imply like some sense of exclusivity. Like if you put it at the end instead of like where it was supposed to be before, kind of saying almost we only, like we alone are able to actually do that. No one else can.
Okie dokie.
So that's lesson 18, everyone. We are going quite fast, alhamdulillah, and we've already covered about 95 verses of the surah. I hope you've been finding these useful, and I hope that you're doing these consistently. Please let me know what your progress is looking like and whether you're finding it useful or what you would like me to do differently. And do share with your friends and family, and do subscribe as well. Assalamu alaikum.